Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, or Sadi for those of you who don't know, and today's video is going to be a Bible journaling video. So I've mentioned this previously, but I'm going through Psalms with a group of ladies from my church, and I've been thinking about doing this for a while. We're going through Psalms, and I think I've put up one video so far about Psalm 34 and just like how the journey is going. Today's video, I want it to be just Bible journaling, what I'm learning, what we're going through. So these videos are gonna be behind because right now we're starting on the Songs of the Degree, which start at Psalm 120. But what I've been wanting to do is for Psalm 42 is journal something for that verse. So I have something here that I started drawing out, and it's like a deer, and you can't really see too much because of the exposure, but I want to finish that so I can put in my Bible. Maybe might be a little big, but just because like that first verse is something that's constantly in my head, and it's just the attitude that I want to have when it comes to God. So I'm going to read verse 1 and 2. It says, "As a deer pants for flowing streams, so pants my soul for you, O God. My soul thirsts for God, for the living God." So that's just like constantly been in my mind. And it's like, is that how I'm living? Is that how my life is? Is that my attitude towards God and towards reading his word and his people? So like, just really meditating on the fact that, you know, God needs to be like what fuels my soul, what fills it, what keeps it alive, what sustains it. He needs to be my water, he needs to be my bread, he needs to be it all. So that is what I'm going to be journaling today, and I think I'm going to just paint over this. This isn't watercolor paper, it's sketching paper though, so I think I might paint over it with a little bit of watercolor, a little bit of acrylic paint. So I want to take watercolor and some acrylic paint to paint this, and I figured I'd do that with you guys and just add it to my Bible and share some of my thoughts about this psalm. And yeah, so if you guys would like to see that, then just keep watching.